Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today, I'm going to go through all of the pricing tiers that GoHighLevel has to offer. And trust me, you're going to want to check it out because there's something for everyone. Now, don't forget, you can use the link in the description down below to get started. So go ahead and click on that link once you have watched the video so you can decide which price plan you are going with. Let's dive in. So let's jump into the starter plan, and this is a great plan if you are looking to still launch your business. It's perfect for solo entrepreneurs, and this plan starts at $97 a month, and it's designed for small business and entrepreneurs, right? And this is great, as I mentioned, if you are just at the beginning of your journey. The very comprehensive package includes everything that you'll need to establish your digital presence and also automate your marketing efforts. You can manage up to 3 sub-accounts seamlessly, switching between them without the hassle of multiple logins. It also streamlines the approach when keeping your workflow efficient and organized from day one. So you get a full integrated CRM system, you get marketing automations, and you also get very, very awesome social media tools. You can also build professional websites and high converting sales funnels without any technical expertise, which is always great because not everyone has the tech background. Not everyone is tech savvy. You can also have the advantage of reaching customers directly through powerful text message campaigns, again, which is something that a lot of people believe are actually going out or are now less popular. They also give you mobile app access so you can manage your business and everything else on the go with full mobile functionality. That means whatever you can do on your desktop, you can do with the mobile app, which really is convenient. If you are looking for something a little bit bigger or a little bit more than that, they have the unlimited plan. And this is where you can scale your business or your agency. At $297 per month, you get unlimited growth potential. So this unlimited plan is designed specifically for growing your business or your agency. And if you are ready to expand your client base, then this is actually the plan that you should be using. This tier includes everything from the starter plan that we mentioned previously, but it also removes all the limitations on the number of sub-accounts, which in the previous plan was only 3. So it's really great if you want to manage agencies or scaling your operations. You also get a branded web app. So this presents a professional, more cohesive brand experience to all of your clients with a fully customized web application. You also get white labeling, so you get custom domain and complete branding control, which allows you to position the platform as your own proprietary solution rather than just using the website or the platform to operate through your business. You also get advanced communication tools that can help you manage client relationships more effectively and more professionally. The more ways that you have to communicate with your clients, of course, that is much better. And all in all, to sum it up, the plan can help you scale client management, remove bottlenecks that might be limiting your agency growth. If you are looking for something a little bit more, we have the SaaS, the SaaS Pro plan. And this is where you can build your software empire, right? At $497 per month, you can transform your agency into a fully automated SaaS platform, which is the most advanced plan available. Now, the SaaS Pro plan is designed for agencies ready to build a complete software business. You get to automate your account creation. So client accounts are created automatically, eliminating that manual setup absolutely all in all. Clients get to sign up directly through your custom branded site, reinforcing your brand identity so they won't know that you're actually using GoHighLevel. It'll look like your own setup. You can also resell SMS and email services with your own pricing and create entirely new revenue streams. And this is actually more seamless and easy to do than it may sound. This plan will fully automate your onboarding. It will save significant time if you compare it to the manual setup that's required in the previous unlimited plan. And here you can focus on growth and not so much the administration. Still enjoying the video? Go ahead and leave a like down below to show your support. Also, leave a comment and let us know what software you're currently using and why you think you should switch over to GoHighLevel. let's dive back into the video. In addition to any one of those plans, there is some flexibility with the add-ons that they have, right? So there's a white label mobile app. This optional white label mobile app is an add-on that's available for just less than $5 a month, and it allows complete custom branding on the downloadable app. This feature is particularly valuable for scaling agencies looking to provide a more premium branded experience to their clients. However, this add-on is more useful for established agencies than for beginners that are just starting out. So if you are using the starter plan, maybe this add-on is not for you. So to sum it all up, GoHighLevel offers exceptional flexibility with all of its pricing structures. It's really got something for everybody. With the starter plan, you can really have a full suite of tools as a beginner. Also, if you are upgrading to that unlimited or the SaaS Pro, it's smooth and straightforward. So you really can, if you start off with that starter plan, you can upgrade anytime as you scale, as your needs change. And the same way, the other way, you can also downgrade as your needs change with no penalties or additional payments or anything like that. So to put it on a timeline, you'll begin with the starter plan. You can upgrade to the unlimited plan as you grow. Then you can move over to the SaaS Pro for full automation, and then you can adjust, you can downgrade, you can upgrade if needed. You also get an extended trial access, so both the starter and unlimited plans include trial periods. An exclusive 30-day trial link provides extended access to fully explore the platforms completely, and the trial includes marketing templates, comprehensive training, account setup, assistance, personalized coaching, and supportive community access, which of course will assist you when you're jumping onto new software and trying to figure it out. You won't have to do it alone. There's tons of supportive material. Ladies and gentlemen, just remember that everybody is an individual. Your business is an individual business. Make sure that you're choosing the right price plan for your needs and your business needs. Don't forget to use that link in the description down below to get started. We will see you next time.